can bank, borrow, and invest. Download the SoFi app today to get your money right. First, Neely from the third base side of the rubber, 0-1. Fastball 92, Ohio State University. And the 0-2, Shumpert waves and misses out for strike 3. So 3 pitches just near to the bullpen for Jack Neely.
And Cody Wilson. First pitch from Neely is fastball and is called a strike. His own here in the 8th as the pitch. Letter high fastball called the strike. The pitch home. Swing and a miss. He struck him out with his slider. Back home. First pitch to Jordy Barley. Misses high and inside. His numbers to the hitters. Pitch is a slider on the outside corner. The 1-1. Fastball misses it. And the pitch. Swing and a miss. Third. The 2-2 to Barley. Swing and a miss. He struck him out with a slider. And Jack Neely is getting swings and misses on nearly 20% of the pitches he's throwing. Just super elite numbers. That was Carlos Rodon last night was 22%. Give you an idea. The 0-1. Check swing, foul ball. The 0-2. Swing and a miss. He struck him out with a slider. Neely comes back and strikes out the side of the 8th. So Jack Neely back to the mound. He struck out all 4 batters he's faced. And the first pitch. The pitch. Swing and a miss. Now the 0-2. Swing and a miss. He struck him out. 5 batters faced, 5 strikeouts for Jack Neely. Came in striking out 37% of batters this year. His first pitch to Jose Sanchez is a called strike in the outside. 0-1. Swing and a miss. Good slider. 5 game, top of the 9th, the pitch. Swing and a miss. He struck him out. Neely. We're talking a span of. Neely comes set the 0-1. Upstairs for bullpen. The 1-1. Frizzell taps it foul. Set at the belt. The tall Texan deals. Slider low and in. Set the 2-2. Swing and a miss. He struck him out. A fastball. 7 batters, 7 strikeouts for Jack Neely. And that's 19 strikeouts for the Renegades pitching staff in this ball game.